guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a flip through of my design team project for Tina at Shabbydabbydoodah, and I love this little journal. So I used a couple of Tina's kits. She has a kit. Well, it's a two-part kit called Platform Number 2. There is a 7-page ephemera kit, and then there is a, I believe 12, it's 13 total pages. 12 pages are the background, like design papers, and then there's a coffee dyed page at the end, and I used the coffee dyed page on the back of the ephemera pieces. And then I also have in here a lot of the pieces from her Ephemera Extras Set 2. And I'll link all of this in the description box below, so you don't have to remember all of this. And then there are a couple of Victorian calling card digitals from Lorna at TaylorMade Journals. So I just wanted to make sure I remembered to say all of that, but it'll all be in the description box, so you can go and check out all of the digitals. I used a Reader's Digest cover for the covers, obviously. It measures approximately 7 3/4 inches by 5 1/4, not including the spirals. I did cinch bind it. And I added lace, some black lace on the edge, the like spine part. It is black underneath, but I just kind of liked the look of the lace. And then the spirals are also black. I have a Tim Holtz hitch post for the closure, and then you just kind of push down a little bit, and I used a piece of vintage black lace to close it up. Oops, sorry. There are 58 pages front and back, and then there are also 3 short bags and 3 like taller bags, you'll see. And I didn't count those in at the page count. So on the front, I layered up some antique sheet music, a piece of like an applique here, a couple of Prima flowers, some other paper flowers here that I just secured with a brad. And then these are Tim Holtz like plastic flowers. And I don't know if you can see, but they were like an off-white color. And I kind of rubbed them across an archival ink pad that is magenta. And then I just wiped off the extra ink with my fingers. So they just have a very, very slight pink tinge to them. This is a piece from the kit that I glossy accented. And then this is also a piece from the kit. All right. So inside, this is one of the pockets I made in for Dee Dee's challenge. And there's a journaling card from the kit, and there's that coffee dyed background. This is another piece from the kit. And then I love all the ladies in this kit. So if you haven't watched my videos in that challenge, I will link that at the end of the video, the playlist, and you can check that out if you're interested to see how those pockets are made. On the inside covers, it was orange actually inside here. So I used a page from the kit to cover up that orange. And then here you have a page from the kit. And what I did was I took the pages, I folded them in half, and then I sewed them together around the outside edges that weren't gonna be cinched. And I just used a little bit of bling, and this is one of the pieces from that Ephemera Extras kit, and then more of that antique sheet music. And then I have this really cool book. It is a reproduction of an 1886 Bloomingdale's catalog. It is so cool. So I made a couple book page pockets out of the pages from that book. Like I said, it is a reproduction, but it just went with this kit so well. And I added a little bit of kit pieces here. And then I made tags out of pages from that book as well. I have a little eyelet at the top and some black lace. And I just sewed that onto some coffee dyed cardstock. And I love that book so much. And then that just clips on to the side there. I did a little bit of stamping on some tea dyed paper. This is a pocket from the kit and a journaling card. This is a piece of scrapbook paper. We've got a couple little labels in this little, I'll show you here. I got this die and it's so cool. It's like a little file folder. And this is a piece of a page from that Bloomingdale's catalog. And this is the die that I used for that. It's kind of cool. And then I did a little bit of stamping here on the side of that pocket. Another background page. These are the small bags I was talking about, and I stamped this pretty lady on the front of them. And then this one has an actual antique photo inside. This must be Emma Miller. So this is authentic, antique, really nice thick like card that photo is on. So that is inside here. And then this is a beautiful lady from the kit on some avocado dyed paper. I think this is from DD. Most of my dyed paper is from either DD or Lori. So thank you, ladies, again. Some more stamping here on this page. And then I used one of the pieces from the kit to make a tuck spot for this journaling card. Added some more of that antique sheet music and some more bling. And then here are the other bags I was talking about. And a postcard from the kit. And then a little label from the kit as well. And then this is some coffee dyed lined paper to write on. And then this is another one of the pockets from Dee Dee's challenge. And I just added a piece from the kit and some more black lace underneath there. And then this is a picture from the kit. And a little banner from the kit. This is a large piece from that ephemera kit of Tina's, and I just added one of the flowers here. And then inside you have one of Lorna's calling cards, and I printed some coffee dyed on the back of that. And then these are some authentic vintage railway tickets. Since this was platform number 2, I thought that kind of went with the theme. So those are just tucked in there. This is my favorite page in the whole kit. I love this. And then this was another challenge pocket, and I just decorated it up with some pieces from the kit and some lace. And then you just have a couple little journaling cards in there. This is a vintage stamp. Let me see if I can find it. I will do a video where I show you the amazing haul that I got of vintage stamps, but that's what I used there. And then this is actually a pocket in the back for this beautiful card. And then I just, this is just glued down here. This was a large piece from the kit, and I just added a little bit of bling. Another one of the pockets from the challenge, and a card inside. And then I just added this little piece here and this piece. And then another card from the kit. Oops. And then actually these are like, I think I might have forgotten. Oh, here we go. These are brand new bags. They're not old. And they had like information about them on the back. So I just used pieces from the kit to cover that up. Another pocket from the challenge. So inside we have this lovely lady. And then in the little tuck and another card. And I just layered up some of that sheet music and a piece from the Ephemera Extras kit. And here's another one of Lorna's gorgeous calling cards. And this is a piece from the kit, and as well as this. And then just a little stamp piece from the kit and some lace and some bling. And then I just created this card out of a piece of a page from that Bloomingdale's reproduction catalog. This is a Bloomingdale's in New York. I think that's what it's a picture of. And then it's just backed onto some coffee dyed cardstock. That book I'm talking about is, I think it's from the late 80s or early 90s. I think it's a Dover publication. If you're interested in at all in that book, I'm not sure if you can still buy it. I got it from an estate sale, but let me know and I can give you the information. Love, love, love that page. And again, this beautiful lady, this background page. Another one of these pockets, and I just added that journaling card inside. Oh, and I think in the video, I didn't show you the final, what I did to cover the fold over part of the envelope. So that's what I did. I just added some other pieces from, or paper from the kit. Some more layering there. This is a pocket from the kit and this lovely lady inside. Another envelope and another postcard from the kit. And then again, just a banner to hide that back of that bag. Some more stamping. Now this is super cool. This is from this book here, and this is from 1907. I'm gonna really quickly just show you a couple of the pages because I actually have this listed as a digital in my shop. So if you're interested, I love this book. So you have, see, 1907. So they're poems from Longfellow. So you have the poem and then you have this gorgeous floral image. So if you are interested in that at all, you can check that out in my shop. It's just, yeah, really pretty images and flowers and poetry and this, you know, gorgeous like gilded borders. So I just wanted to show you that to you real quick, but this is an actual piece from the book. This is not a digital copy. This is an actual page that I just trimmed and rounded the corners. And then in this bag, have another postcard from the kit. Some lined paper, avocado paper, and then another one of the book page pockets and tags. Just so cool. Oh my gosh, I think I was born in the wrong time period. I should have been born in Victorian England. I've decided. Or Victorian, I mean, whatever, in America, I don't care. I love that, except the corsets. I don't want anything to do with corsets, but otherwise. Okay, so this is the back cover. Again, I just used a piece of the background page to cover up the orange. And then this is a tag that comes in the kit. You have another one of the pockets from the challenge. And I just added some black lace with a staple and then, you know, covered the front of the staple there. And I used, if you watched me create these pockets, you'll remember that I didn't quite tear the paper properly. So I added some bling to cover up where I messed up. And then you have some lace and a piece of that ephemera. And then this is another antique photo of this gorgeous lady, and it has the name of the photographer on the back. How cool is that? So that is authentic. And then I just added a piece of, I think it's flower sackcloth with my little maker mark on there. It just says handcrafted by Emily. It is just glue sticked on there. So, you know, if you really hate it, you might be able to pull it off. I'm not sure. But I just wanted to start adding that to my journals, you know, just so whoever buys them knows where they came from, right? So this will be listed in my shop by the time this video uploads, and you can go and check that out. The link will be in the description box, as well as all of Tina's links and the link to Lorna's Victorian calling cards. And I think that's it. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your weekend, and I will be back soon. Yeah, take care of yourselves, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.